Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. The homeowner here has a leak right across the top of the bump out. And if you look carefully, you can see the flashing is lifting up. So 98% of the roofers are going to say the flashing is the source of the problem. So what we'll have to do is just nail it back into place. But there's a very, very good chance this leak could come back again. And when I look at the skylight directly above, it looks like the roof is in fairly poor condition. And then also there's a vent pipe there where the collar is deteriorated. So I want to see if there's any leakage coming from that skylight that would cause the water to settle inside the exterior wall and leak at the bump out below. Okay, I'm in the bathroom next to the skylight that's above the bump out on the upper roof. And let's see if this skylight's attributing to that leak below. Okay, you see that dark blue? That's all moisture, and that's probably about 50% moisture, and that water is also dropping down inside the wall. So if we don't repair the skylight and we focus only on the flashing on the bump out on the lower roof, this leak will continue. So what we need to do is remove all the roofing material completely around the skylight. Any flashing that's damaged is going to be repaired or replaced with new, and then we're going to fully adhere ice and water shield completely around the skylight, and then we'll re-shingle it. Also, we're going to check to see if there's any hairline fractures on the top of the skylight where the glass and the metal frame meet. That would not cause the leak below. It would only leak below in the upper room here. But as a precautionary measure, we're going to take care of that as well. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Springfield and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.